Hello, class. It is time. I have your math tests.
Oh no, my tummy hurts. I feel sick.
Timmy, here is your test.
Yay! An A!
Good job. Penny, here is your test.
A, B. Thank you.
My turn. Please be a good grade. Please. Leo, come here, please. I can't believe I failed the test again. Mom is gonna be so disappointed.
Leo, I am worried. Look at your test.
An F? Oh no. No.
You did not finish. You made many mistakes.
I am sorry. I am just tired. Very, very tired.
You have dark circles. Did you sleep?
No, I did not sleep. It was noisy at home.
You must rest, Leo. Please show your parents.
Show my parents? No, I cannot. Dad will be mad.
You must tell the truth. Go home safely, Leo.
What do I do?
An F. I got an F.
Dad will yell. Mom will yell. Just like last night. Stay in there. Nobody will see you. Nobody will know.
Hey, Leo. Do you want to play?
No, I cannot play. I must go home. Are you sick? Your eyes are dark.
I am fine! Leave me alone!
I have to get there before the bell rings. I can't be late again.
I hear the yelling. Last night was scary.
Crash! Bang! Yell! I hate that sound.
I know, I'm trying to get the big ones first. Okay, watch your paws, honey.
I think I got the rest here. Be careful. The glass is sharp.
I see it. I am cleaning it.
I am sorry. I was very angry. I yelled too loud.
I yelled too. I threw the vase. It was a bad night.
Did Leo hear us? I hope he was asleep.
He was very quiet this morning. His eyes were tired.
We are bad parents. We scared our little boy.
We must fix this. We must stop fighting.
Yes. No more fighting. I promise.
I promise too. Leo is coming home.
Let us clean fast. We will smile for him.
I tried my best, but it wasn't enough. I'm so tired.
Okay. I am here. I will be a ghost.
I will sneak inside. I will hide the test forever.
Gently does it. Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up. Okay. Phew, okay. Leo? Are you hurt? Why are you sneaking?
Leo, you are home.
Did you fall?
I am fine. Do not look. Give me my bag.
What is this paper doing here? Let me see this. Oh no! No!
What is this? A math test?
No. Please, do not look at it.
Leo, this is an F. You failed your test.
I am sorry.
Ah! Why didn't you tell us? Why did you hide it? You must study! Stop! Stop yelling! Please stop! No more noise! My ears hurt! My head hurts! An F minus!
Oh dear, this cannot be happening.
Oh no. What have we done?
My poor baby. He is terrified. Leo, honey, what's wrong?
It's okay, sweetie. We're here now.
Leo, little cub, look at me.
I am sorry for the F. I am a bad boy.
No, Leo. You are a good boy. You are wonderful.
You are safe. We are not angry about the test.
You are not mad?
No, we are not mad. Why did you fail, Leo? I could not focus. I could not sleep.
I heard you last night. The yelling. The breaking.
I was so scared. I thought you didn't love each other.
Oh, Leo. We love each other. And we love you so much.
We made a terrible mistake. We let our anger get too big. We made our home scary. That is our fault, not yours.
Really? It is not my fault?
Never your fault. Grown-ups make mistakes too.
We promise, Leo, a peaceful home. From now on.
I like a peaceful home. My brain works better quiet. Bad grades sometimes mean I am just too tired to think.
That is very smart, Leo. We will help you study tonight.
But first, you need a long nap. We love you, Leo.
I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad.